Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks the flow. Make sure your iPhone X runs the latest iOS and you've installed Phonepe from the App Store. Sign in with the mobile number registered to your bank. This lets the app verify via SMS. Once done, grant contacts and camera permissions so you can add beneficiaries and scan QR codes. Finally, set a secure app passcode or Face ID. This protects payments and speeds up future authorizations. You'll now link your bank and create or confirm a UPI ID. Open Phonepe, go to Profile, then My Accounts, and tap Add New Bank. Pick your bank from the list. The app reads an SMS to verify your account automatically. Next, follow prompts to create or confirm your UPI ID. This is how people receive money. Finally, set a UPI PIN by providing your debit card last 6 digits and expiry. This is required to authorize transfers and payments. You'll finish by making and accepting payments. To pay, tap to or scan, enter the recipient's UPI ID or scan a QR code, type the amount, and confirm with your UPI PIN or Face ID. To receive, share your UPI ID or use request. You'll see incoming transactions under history. If a payment fails, make sure your bank is reachable, SMS permission is enabled, and your internet is stable. If still failing, wait 5 to 10 minutes and retry or contact your bank for block clearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.